Billions of devices, trillions of dollars. These are the numbers of our industry. Now, when most people look at the Internet of Things, they see technology. I see money, lots of money. But without a solid understanding of the Internet of Things, you won't be able to participate in this, the biggest opportunity of our careers. I can help. I'm Bruce Sinclair, the developer and the instructor of the Iot-Inc Certified IoT Professional, or ICIP, online training program. I've taken everything I've learned from advising my clients, teaching my students, and interviewing IoT's top experts and have channeled it into a comprehensive step-by-step training program that not only teaches IoT's core concepts, but also its principles and how to execute on them to realize value. The ICIP training program consists of 3 courses: ICIP Technology, ICIP Business, and ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation. In the ICIP Technology course, I go into the tech, not deep enough to program it, but deep enough to be able to put it to work. The most important tech in IoT is the software-defined product that includes a digital twin. This tech virtualizes the physical thing into software so it can be interfaced with the internet. IoT's technology starts with virtualization. Along with analytics, this is where all the value is created. But it's not only about virtualization, software-defined products, and digital twins. I cover the entire stack in the ICIP Technology course. And as you will see, by applying the 80-20 rule and eliminating the fluff, subjects are covered in the shortest amount of time. Join me in the ICIP online training program to become a certified IoT professional with new IoT skills to help your company and your career. After finishing this program, you will understand IoT and how to profit from it, seeing the trillions of dollars instead of the billions of devices.